Hello everyone and welcome to project Google Play App Rating Prediction. In this project, the main objective is to predict the ratings of mobile applications using data collected from the Google Play Store. The dataset contains various features of apps such as category, size, number of installs, price, and other characteristics. However, this dataset was originally created for analysis rather than prediction, so it requires significant data pre-processing and feature engineering before building the model. This project is divided into three main parts. The first part focuses on building a machine learning model. In this stage, we clean the dataset by handling missing values and converting non-numeric data like installs, size, and price into numerical format. We also perform exploratory data analysis and feature engineering to better understand the data and improve the model's performance. After preparing the data, we train a regression model using the Random Forest Regressor algorithm to predict app ratings. The second part involves developing a web application using the Django framework. Here, we integrate the trained machine learning model into the Django application. A user-friendly interface is created where users can enter app details, and based on the input, the system predicts the app rating using the trained model. The final part is deployment. In this stage, the complete Django web application is deployed on Heroku by connecting it with GitHub and configuring the required files. Once deployed, the application becomes accessible online, allowing users to interact with it in real time. Overall, this project demonstrates the complete workflow of a machine learning solution, starting from data pre-processing and model building to web development and deployment. Thank you for watching.